If selecting elements in Revit ever feels frustrating, these 5 selection tricks will make your workflow much easier. Let's start with selection windows. When you drag a selection window from left to right, Revit will only select elements that are completely inside the box. In this example, only the furniture fully enclosed by the selection window gets selected. Now let's look at the opposite direction. When you drag from right to left, Revit will select any element touched by the selection window. Notice that the furniture doesn't need to be fully inside the box. As long as it's touched by the selection window, it gets selected. This simple difference can save you a lot of time when working in plans. Ever struggled to select the right element when multiple elements overlap? That's where Tab Select comes in. Simply hover over the area and press the Tab key to cycle through the available elements. In this example, multiple walls intersect at the same location. By pressing Tab, Revit highlights each element one at a time, allowing you to select exactly what you need. The same thing works when different categories overlap. Here, I can cycle between the wall and the door until the correct element is highlighted. Instead of zooming in and trying to click precisely, use Tab to quickly select the element you're looking for. Need to select every instance of an element without clicking them one by one? Select all instances makes it easy. In this example, I'll select a wall, right-click, and choose Select All Instances Visible in View. With just a few clicks, Revit selects every matching wall visible in the current view. The same workflow can be used with much more than walls. Here, I'll select a piece of furniture and use Select All Instances again. Revit immediately selects every matching furniture item in the view. Click Ctrl to select multiple items together. This works with a wide range of Revit elements and can save a lot of time when making changes across a project. Ever selected more elements than you intended? Filtering selections is a quick way to clean up your selection without starting over. In this example, I've selected multiple element types at once. By clicking Filter, I can see every category included in my selection. From here, I can simply uncheck the categories I don't need and keep only the elements I want to work with. Once I click Apply, Revit updates the selection automatically. Instead of reselecting everything from scratch, filtering selections lets you refine your selection in just a few clicks. Need to focus on specific elements without deleting or permanently hiding anything? Temporary Hide Isolate makes it easy. In this example, I'll select a furniture category and use the sunglasses icon to isolate it. Now only the selected furniture remains visible, making it easier to focus on exactly what I need. When I'm finished, I can simply reset Temporary Hide Isolate to bring everything back. The same tool can also be used to hide categories. Here, I'll select a wall and choose Hide Category. Notice that the walls are hidden from view, while everything else remains visible. If needed, you can apply the Hide or Isolate settings to the view permanently. Temporary hide isolate is a great way to focus on specific elements while working in Revit.